big surprise! Let's learn counting numbers and colors.
How do you do? Daddy,
1,
Daddy Boo, what
2,
color do you like?
3,
I like red. I like red. I
4,
like red.
5,
Mommy Boo,
6,
where are you? Here I am, how do
1,
you do? Mommy Boo,
2,
Boo, what
3,
color do you like?
I like
4,
blue. I like blue. I like
5,
blue.
6.
Brother Boo, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Red,
Brother Boo, what color do you like? I like yellow. I like
Blue.
yellow. I like yellow.
Sister Boo, where are
yellow,
you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister Boo,
green,
what color do you like?
I like green. I like
purple,
green. Baby Boo, where are you? Here I am, how
Orange.
do you do? Baby Boo, what color do you like? I like purple. I like purple. I like purple. Grandpa Boo,
red,
where are you? Here I am,
Blue.
how do you do? Grandpa Boo,
yellow,
what color do you like? I like orange. I like orange.
Green.
I like orange.
Grandma Boo,
purple,
where are you? Here I am,
orange,
Daddy Boo, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Daddy Boo, what color do you like? I like red. I like red. I like red.
Mommy Boo, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy Boo, what color do you like?
I like blue. I like blue. I like blue. Brother Boo, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother Boo, what color do you like? I like yellow. I like yellow. I like yellow.
Sister Boo, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister Boo, what color do you like?
I like green. I like green. I like green. Baby Boo, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby Boo, what color do you like? I like purple. I like purple. I like purple. Grandpa Boo, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Grandpa Boo, what color do you like? I like orange. I like orange. I like orange.
Grandma Boo, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Grandma Boo, what color do you like?
I like pink. I like pink. I like pink. Uncle Boo, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Uncle Boo, what color do you like? I like brown. I like brown. I like brown.
Auntie Boo, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Auntie Boo, what color do you like?
I like black. I like black. I like black. Cousin Boo, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Cousin Boo, what color do you like? I like white. I like white. I like white.